You can now make cookies as amazing as the ones in a store. These yummy rainbow cookies are perfect for Valentine's Day treats. With an amazing rainbow heart interior, these cookies are sure to surprise everyone. Ingredients are so simple, all you need is some cookie dough and food colouring, and then just follow the simple steps in our video. So, let's get started. First up, just get 500 grams of cookie dough, slice it up into 6 pieces. Now we're going to colour each one with different food colouring, starting with yellow, then orange. You could just swipe it on with a knife, then red, and green, using your hands to mix it in each time. Purple next, and then blue, or whichever colours you prefer. Now we've got our cookie doughs ready, cover in cling film and roll it out with a rolling pin in between 2 magazines to keep 2 straight sides. Do that with each of your cookie doughs. Then using water as glue, you can start to layer them one on top of the other, in whichever order you like. Slicing off the ends and the sides. Now we can use our heart cookie cutter to size up our segments and slice them up. Turn them on their sides and time to cut your heart shape out. Piling them one on top of the other using water as glue again. Now put that in some cling film and chill. Now we're going to get some plain cookie dough, rolling it into very thin sausage shapes. We're going to just wrap those around the outside of our heart. Wrap it back in cling film again, and then with your hands, roll it until it all blends together and you can't see the rainbow anymore. Now we're going to roll that in sprinkles. And slice it up into our cookies. Bake those at 170 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it, gorgeous rainbow heart cookies.